Ki Nongelam Joka Association for Empowerment of Divyanjan Meghalaya State Unit hanek sngi kalai thu bahapo Joka Association ki don riutli ki kenhun ki bai trelang na ka benta ka jingmen toy ber ka jinge ka ba ki baduna khotmet ki ya kandu habakren bikinong tho khobor ha Shillong Press Club President Joka Association uba Jitendra Khar ulaong ba ka kenhun ka kwa ban pentip pajba sa ki baduna khotmet baru sa ki pajba nong song snong ka jela baka kanhun kalayo bani kando but ka state commissioner for person with disability ha gani ka jingya kando kila IT ya kador khas katkum ka jingdon kam ka jongki bat baro ke baduna khonmen ulai thoro ba kila penpau ya kimat ke badon kam bat ba ka commissioner ka deban penbek katkum ka hok ka jongki ha ba de ka jingya kando president ulai tho ba ka long ka basngau tanan bat kila menjur bat kubur ya ka ei ka ba ka kanhun kala penpau
and assistance ni kaba supplement te ni wan ka state DPO kaba kerteng ka association for empowerment of Divyanjan te kaneka association which has state kaneka jala kaneka state unit ka national ka main office juga ka don ha Uttar Pradesh di Ningkong an pedito swai lade nga kerteng Jitendra Khar ka Shillong juga ka na Shillong na pasti West Jantia Hills amba yang mentahi nga sak ngasong hanong pemai lau judrio and ngadai kumi state unit president and ngadai co-founder and managing director of Blind Lead Trust dah ka state unit pedagang di Jongka DPO ada presiden te ngadon niki nong ikit kam junga ada secretary and assistant secretary but vice president bade executive anak galeng Jongka Deaf Association te hakani ka state unit nidon kumba ndriutli ki state ibaya sendrok kumka state unit atau ka hakaba ngi trelang namta ki ka bahaka me namta ka jingmantoy ba namta ki jinge ba ki jinjinja ki ba ki parlok jungi kum ibrek badon jinguna ka me ngi kendo hako kajela te kadao ka bangi wan mata ka sni ka press conference hakaba ikwa kan bertipat ba Shaki ki paralog jongi kum shaki ki person with disability communities but shaki ki pajba nang shnong jong ka jela jongi hakaba nila yo banya tendo bot ka state commissioner for person with disability state commissioner badon menta te ngala ekendo assistant commissioner but kumjo deputy commissioner bade pay jongki person with disability te hagani ga jingya kendu jongi akaba ngila come up with memorandum yaka demand ke jongi kakum ke jingdon kam jongi leni jong ke jingdon kam jong barok ki beriu badon jingdon kormet nomba kita ki challenges kiba maki keba mangi kendo hako kecela te ngila ya point out yang baru itu ki issues ada bagi identify ki issues te ngila ya submit wanra ngila submit ya ka memorandum shaka commissioner for person with disability hakaba ni demand ba kinhapan implement ya katakan hok kejongi katkum ka RPWD Act 2016 te hakabaya de berkajing ya kendo jungi ta kasni kalong ka ege ka ba sunotanat bat kalong ka ege ka balong nagaleng jung ka state commissioner for person with disability ro hakaba kila manjur bat kila kabur ya kata ka ege ba mangi demand katkum ka Section 24 Jongka RPWD Act 2016 Section 29 section 33 but section 34 te hagajin shisha ka RPWD Act kalong kaba ka ba ngisem hapo kejela hakaba yaka claim implement ha lani claim pentrekam ha katkum belakong hakai te yakata kumno ile lomba ka RTI kabangala bangila file habaro ki department hakaba ngigali shapang ka employment ki vacancies nam ta ki PWDs but ki backlog vacancies te ki babon hi nishem ba ki PWDs I mean ki departments jong ka government ki claim pentrekam long ki claim tip ki claim bana hiru ni ka an ki claim mang hiru ka kam le ne ginu ka vacancies nam ta jong ki PWDs te ndre ki don bon ki ki PWDs educated ki bala graduate ki bala depule ki bala ong pakla depule ki ba phero te ndre ha ka phatu ngisem ba ki don ka ching ka don ka challenges jong ki ha ka ba kim yo kam te ki ba bon ki sushong ha ye te ki bon ki bala sontho pakla shane satai te ki Shemba Nagaland government group ka claim focus ka claim long ka claim pentrekam ha kata kum ka an te dena ta kada ba ka jike ka nang penroi ka nang kiu na ta joki ke ka inglang sa lang jong ni beri beron jung na government and ka jike ro ngiklan na ban sort mo la ka namar ba ka government ka claim long claim of trekam na namar ka ni ka ain ka kawan na usnan 1995 te hak to report on 3% ka job reservation na ta jong Philippines then the heading jong ka 2016 4% and then still ni shemba ki an long ki department ki claim long ki claim UK ki claim pentrekam te dena ta kata ni la khot ya ka meeting last time haka I think last month te ni la khot ya ka meeting jong ka state BO haka ba ki nabaro ka jela na ka me habaro ki district jong ka jela na do Nagaro Hills na do sa China Hills and Bohoi, Khasi Hills. Tengi la khot ya ka meeting ko ka state DPO ba ngin ngap ka ngin snow ya ka e jing ko jing na jong ki te baro hi ki shem ba babon ki parlo ki jong ki ya kando habai de bat ka yo kam yo jam kumban shok no ba kila pendek kila pass ya ka written exam then when it comes to the personal interview kila syak kentat namar ba ki don ki ba kato kat nen ki don ki babot ki le ki long ki judge ki personal judgment te dena takata ba ni naglen jong government kami naglen jong ka state DPO bangila ong government hakabakin long hakabakin pentrekam ni ki southly ki section kata ka section akusau akundai laikusau te nomor ni le ya kani ni base ni identify ya ki jing ya ki challenges ki ba ki ki parlok jungi ki beriu badan juna kot mer apa jela ni identify baru ki jing jong ki de na ta ni j ya ki south ni ki section te try in kan khambaha ba lada ki in police ki kendian ya kene ka memorandum ka bani ni la submit but aswaja kata nga kuapan yetho ba nagalang commissioner kila manjur ba kinhapan pentrekam ya kini ki anji ba ila ong ba kini demand ka mani ila demand hapo jong kata kalai kenai kelomu bagi daitan penbena ya baru itu ki dia advertise itu ki backlog vacancies. Te hadin jo tak lain naik pada kemudian hadin dulu naik pada ki hapan employees ya ki person with disability in each and every departments at least 50%. Te kata dia main demand jo ni. But kumjuru pa kihapan sensitization dan kihapan reach out sakitu ki all the offices and departments bakin alert dan bakin tip ya ka RPWD at least dalam tip kiwe staff at least in charge dalam tip taka demand juni and kumjuru nila demand baru ini ki recruitment rules lagi advertisements kita bandong accessible. Nomor babon ni siapa bagi bilang accessible. Kila acu penbena poster notice board te kita ni nak pan ba kimdai su mentereka. Tengi dai kan yok baik dak balong accessible kalong ba de badon lang bagi audio nam tajuk ke visual impact bagi dan ki audio narrator dan nanta kumki company ke kumka sign language te kidai banbo lang itu te nagadang joki jongi nila amur ba baro ki website kidai banlo accessible namar ba babon ki website nation ba kim long accessible hangnor ko kim long accessible namar ba ki babon ba ki portals ki jongi ba kishna ka problem ni jongi ke haka verification capture. When it comes to verification capture, hakaba keep ida ka image untuk ban verify kan kayu ba wanda ba or something. Company da ka image. Jadi yang ni visually impact kato kam tereka. Tengi don kamera audio challenge bagi kau. Tanam tajuni ban describe itu ke ba pen hak tu ka image. Jadi nu ki capture dan ki letters ki bagi buat itu. And not just that, and kibai ru ki kaba mangingila state haka memorandum jungi lesi secretary jungi bisa read out itu ki demand jungi dengan kod iba in read out itu ki demand jungi.
Di differenza secretary jungi ka Meghalaya DPO, Meghalaya State DPO, State Disabled People Organization. Jadi kawai kebab ni demand dah semula kita ketika nomor kajian pemimpin jadi kamu dan dekat non implementation juga ini South Lake section, kabar di section 24, kabar national social security. Hari ini section, the state government should provide schemes, common formulate and limit of economic capacity of the state, but kemudian dia CM scheme, especially CM scheme, the similar scheme, kalau orang similar scheme like old age, so the scheme should be 25% higher than the old age. But as you can see now, the scheme like regarding the schemes for PWDs, especially and the schemes for the old age, like the amount is the same. But in the PWD Act, it is mentioned that the scheme should be 25% higher. Even that they are not implemented. And another section which we are talking about is section 39. We can see like
39.
Yeah, section 39. It talks about culture and recreation. As we can see, like in the state of Meghalaya, like regarding culture and recreation, like there's so much they are lacking so much behind. Like, even for the normal people, they are like culture and recreations, they are not into that, and especially for the disabled, they are like they're not accessible. They for even like for participating in maybe in a concert or something, they will provide ramps or anything which they can access, and they will put like a stage or kind of a budget, or especially budget like for them to display their talents and all. as you can see now, like most, you can see so many artists, they are not performing on stage, especially celebrities. You can find them in police bazaar. They should be performing on stage, but then in the stages and all, but then they're like, they have to perform on the streets. So the government is not even looking after that, they're not considering those. They can see they have so much talent and so much that they can bring out, but then the state, it's not supporting them. And section 33 which says that the identification of posts for reservation. Like you can see, like in every, like the government should consider with the expert committee to see like if there is any vacant post for PWDs. But as you can see, like in Meghalaya, that also like they are not doing that regularly. We cannot see like most vacant posts that are meant for PWDs. And as it is mentioned on section 34, it mentions about the reservation for PWDs. Like 4% of the total job vacancy should be for PWDs. But here in Meghalaya, like they have not even implemented that. As we can see, like in many government offices, like most of like the number of PWDs being employed, most of them are like nil. If not nil, also maybe just 1 or 2. Like very few PWDs are being employed. So that like and there are like some demand, and like we have put a demand. The demand that the first demand is like mandatory statewide sensitization, like legal awareness of commercial on the customer. Jadi kita pakai kisah untuk kan, kita kata gaji mat, gaji stok mungkin beri kepada department, but lalakin kim untuk am kinam tamas kumbaong nama kumbaga tim idiom semua. Only the person wearing the knows where the thorn or where the stone is. Kita beri mat itu jeng emak semua, but lalakin kim untuk ini kinam untuk itu yang kata jeng emak. Diberi kepada department yang kedua. They developed a retrospective audit and recalculation of backlog. Mereka kembali ke backlog oleh negara reservation policy. Apa Meghalaya? Kita menceritakan ketika fokus reservation kepada mereka kadang cerita mereka roster system. Kalau roster system kada banyak kajang ke fokus reservation nak benda PWDs kada banyak kajang. Nilai kita combine job. Impact cerita mereka kada fokus reservation. Kadang ya ke roster. Yeah, I'll say that English also. But as you can see, like in Meghalaya, like there is no separation between the roster system and the 4% reservation that is meant for PWDs. Like even the third demand that like they should, all these government offices and government schools and all, it should be accessible for persons with disabilities. Like I have seen, like even in my own experience visiting the office of SRCD, it's a state resource center for differently able person. The office building is like on the 3rd floor. The lift is not working. I was like wondering how can a person sitting on a wheelchair will go up to the 3rd floor. That is like they should be concerned, and they should think of the communities. That shows that they are not thinking of persons with disabilities. You can see that on the 3rd floor, the lift is not working. How can a wheelchair climb on the chair and on the staircase? The next comment is like, even for like the scribe, for notification rules and all, they should provide scribe. A scribe like is a person who, in central exams they have scribes and all. They provide scribes for persons like for visually impaired persons. But in Meghalaya, like even in the exams, at first they said okay they will provide a scribe, but then at the last moment they said that they can't provide a scribe. That also is a big issue for educated PWDs who want to appear for the job exams and all. unless the matter, they should end this discrimination and unfair representations, like especially like according to what I've seen. Okay, if it is even after passing the MPSC examinations or DSC examinations, when it comes to personal interview, like the moment the interviewer sees that he or she is a person with disability, they will discriminate that person. They will say that, oh, that person won't be able to do that work. They won't even take the interview and just discriminate and look down on that person. That is like at least implement our demands, like the important sections that we have sought out in the Accessibility Act within the time bound that we have given to them.